I'm Chrisanne and this is a tutorial on how you use Microsoft Excel to plan your personal budget. First, in cell A1, key in your personal budget as a title. Key in the weeks and the headings. As the word entertainment is long, you can extend the width of column D. Plan the amount of money you want to spend for each heading. For the total expenditure of the week, use the sum function by keying the formula and always starting with the equal sign. The values start from B4 to E4. For demo's sake, I will copy and paste the values for the other weeks. Now you can key in your total expenditure for the week, for the month. Your total allowance and your total savings. Similarly, for total expenditure, using the sum function, starting from F4 to F10, total savings can be used by subtraction by keying the formula the cell F13 minus F12. To format the plan, highlight the cells, give it a fill color, format the font, give it a border, and you are done.